If you're a homeowner, you know how costly it can be when something goes wrong with your plumbing, electrical, or HVAC system, especially if it catches you by surprise. What if you could avoid surprise breakdowns, save money on every service, and get priority scheduling when you need it? In this video, I'm going to show you how the EcoFi Advantage membership helps you protect your home, save money, and skip the stress.
Get Eco.
Hi everyone, I'm Aaron, founder of Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. Over the past 19 years, we've helped hundreds of thousands of homeowners across Ohio keep their homes safe, efficient, and running smoothly. Our EcoFi Advantage membership was created because we saw homeowners spending too much money on repairs and waiting too long for service, and that shouldn't happen. But as we've rolled into this, we've noticed that there's a few things that people get confused by, and we totally get it. So I want to walk you through the most common questions, misunderstandings, and honest concerns that we hear from real customers. This is more than just a maintenance plan. It's a way to protect your biggest investment, your home. The EcoFi Advantage membership gives you year-round priority access to our team, automatic maintenance reminders, and 10% off every service call. With regular annual advanced diagnostic testing and thorough cleaning of your equipment, you'll see the difference, and we will keep track of issues as your home ages to help protect your investment. Our professional team at Eco will deliver real advantage through improved efficiency, energy savings, and increased lifespan when they care for your home year-round. There's a lot of perks to being an EcoFi member. Here's some of our members' favorites. Priority scheduling, jumping to the front of the line when things go wrong. 10% off all service, everything from water heater installs to furnace repairs. Annual inspections of your HVAC system and optional inspections for your plumbing or electrical system. Exclusive member offers throughout the year. Member-only hotline and texting options. And a lifetime workmanship guarantee on everything we do. We get this a lot. Maybe your utility company offers something similar. That's why our membership is flexible. If you're covered elsewhere for your HVAC, you could still take full advantage of our plumbing and electrical benefits. Just let us know and we'll tailor the plan for what you actually need. Yes, the membership is fully transferable. If you're moving within our service area, we'll keep you covered. If you're selling your home, it's a great bonus to pass this on to a new homeowner. Billing is probably one of the biggest points of confusion. Regardless of whether you sign up for a monthly or annual billing, this is an annual membership. And yes, it does auto-renew. The only difference between the two billing options is the cost and the timing of the charge. When you choose annual billing, you're billed once a year. Because we recognize this is a large upfront investment, we include 2 months free. We also understand that an annual billing isn't the right fit for everyone, which is why we offer a monthly option. If you choose monthly billing, you'll be charged on the 28th of each month. We do send reminders ahead of time with a text message and an email, but depending on your email setting, they might not always make it to your inbox. So if your renewal hits and you didn't expect it, that's frustrating and we get it. Just know our team is always available to walk you through your account or make adjustments. Here's another common one, scheduling. Yes, you do need to call us to schedule your maintenance visit. We send email and text message reminders throughout the year, including special offers and seasonal checklists. But we can't book the visit until we hear from you. We know emails can land in spam sometimes. If you ever feel like you haven't heard from us, check your junk folder. Or better yet, just give us a call and we'll make sure you're set up. Another one that we hear, what exactly happens during the clean and check? Great question. Every system, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, have a set checklist to go through. For HVAC, there's a number of parts and functions that we check. Things like ensuring proper refrigerant level, inspecting safety controls, testing airflow, and cleaning your system, to name a few. If it's plumbing, our clean and check is focused on the hardest working piece, your water heater, to ensure proper operations and safety. For your electrical system, some of the things that we're checking include a visual inspection of any exposed wire, circuit testing, inspecting outlets, switches, and ensuring proper grounding. The point is to monitor your system to catch any issues early and avoid any potential emergency visits. Not just dust things off and call it done. Here's one we want to clear up. Your free drain clearing as a member is good for any drain, not just your main sewer line. And when we do clear your main sewer line, yes, we include a camera inspection as well. It's our way of educating you on the root of the problem and giving you peace of mind that the job was done right. And finally, blackout dates. Some people get frustrated when they can't schedule their HVAC maintenance during the peak of summer or the dead of winter. And I get it, that's when your system works the hardest. But those are also the times when people have true emergencies and they have either lost their heat or their AC. That's why we reserve those peak spots for urgent needs. You can still schedule your maintenance outside of these windows. If you're unsure when to book it, we'll guide you. So that's the real story behind the EcoFi Advantage membership. What it is, how it works, and why we built it this way. If you're ready to protect your home, save money, and get access to top-rated service year-round, just give us a quick call today. We'll walk you through the sign-up process and get your first visit scheduled. No pressure, just straight answers and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you feel more confident about how our EcoFi Advantage membership works. We'd love the chance to help you stay ahead of your home repairs and save money. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. We look forward to hearing from you. See you next time.